In this video, we will look at the surfacings used on roads in more detail. The base course is usually topped with a surfacing. The surfacing layer has two main functions. Firstly, it prevents surface water from soaking into the base course and subbase. The second function of the surfacing is to provide a safe surface for vehicles to travel on. This means it needs to provide grip between the road and the vehicle tyres. Therefore, the surface does need a rough texture. However, if the surface is too rough, then it causes excessive vibration, resulting in road noise and increased wear of the tyres. Water on the road surface can reduce contact between the tyres and the road and increases the risk of vehicle skidding. Therefore, the surface has to shed water as quickly as possible. The main surfacings used in New Zealand are chip seal and asphaltic concrete. There are variations and combinations of these two basic surfacings, which will be covered in the road pavement micro-credential. In this video, we'll just look at the two main surfacings. Some minor roads do not have surfacing and are known as unsealed roads. Chip seal involves laying a layer of bitumen binder on the road surface from a bitumen spray truck, as shown in blue. Tip trucks lay the chip, which is then rolled to push the chip into the bitumen and roll the chips over so they interlock to form better resistance to being plucked out of the surface by vehicle movements. The chip becomes strongly embedded when the bitumen cools and hardens. This is the most common way of sealing roads in New Zealand. Asphaltic concrete is smaller pieces of aggregate coated in bitumen that bind together when compacted. It is also known as asphalt, AC, or hot mix. The aggregate and binder are mixed at the plant and then transported to site. On site, it is laid using a paving machine that lays it out in an even layer where it is rolled. Asphaltic concrete is more expensive than chip seal, but provides a less coarse surface while still providing the required contact between the vehicle tyres and the road. The smoother surface means less road noise and a smoother ride.